Hi everybody, how are you today? I hope you are all okay. I miss you very much. Today we want to continue our lesson about mirror. Today we want to see which surface reflects light the best. أي أسطح أي مواد بتعكس الضوء أفضل. Looking at a mirror. إذا نظرنا إلى المرآة. When you look at a mirror, you can see yourself. إذا أنت اطلعت على المراية بتشوف حالك، بتشوف وجهك، شخصك. Why؟ لماذا؟ Because the mirror reflects your image back to you. لأن المرآة تعكس صورتك إلك، ترجع تعكس صورتك إلك. So when you look at a mirror, you can see yourself because the mirror reflects your image back to you. Looking at wood. Looking at wood. إذا أنت اطلعت على لوح خشبي بتشوف حالك؟ طبعا لا. When you look at a wood board, you can see your face. Why؟ إذا أنت اطلعت على لوح خشبي من خشب، هل ترى وجهك أو نفسك؟ طبعا لا. Because the wooden surface absorbs light. لأن المادة الخشبية والأسطح الخشبية تمتص الضوء. So when you look at a wood board, you can see your face because the wooden surface absorbs light. So we can notice there are two kinds of objects. Some objects reflect light, such as mirrors. بعض المواد بتعكس الضوء مثل المرآة. Some objects absorb light, such as wood. بعض المواد هي تمتص الضوء مثل الخشب. So we can repeat again and you can read after me. Some objects reflect light such as mirrors. Repeat alone. Some objects absorb light such as wood. Factors that affect the amount of reflection. المواد اللي بتحدد وبتأثر على كمية انعكاس الضوء. The amount of reflection depends on the surface of the object. بتعتمد كمية الانعكاس على سطح المادة. For example, a piece of paper. نعطي مثال كيف السطح بيأثر على الانعكاس. قطعة ورقة A4 أي ورقة عادية smooth ناعمة and flat مسطحة. So a piece of paper is smooth and flat. Okay? So if we put a paper under a microscope, إذا جبنا ورقة حطيناها تحت المجهر, you will see that it contains a lot of bumps. فيها كتير مطبات أو نتوءات ما بتكون دغرية. إحنا بنحسها دغرية. But no, it will have many bumps. Bumps اللي هي مطبات نتوءات هيك تعرجات. Because its surface is not completely smooth. لأنه سطحها مش 100% ناعم مش مصقول. So we can conclude that paper absorbs يعني تمتص more light than it reflects. إذا الورقة كمان the wood which we talked before absorbs تمتص الضوء. فلما تمتص الضوء it will not reflect it. It will absorb and it will not reflect. So, putting paper under microscope. When you put a paper under a microscope, you will see that it contains a lot of bumps because its surface is not completely smooth. We can conclude that paper absorbs more light than it reflects. What happens if light is reflected completely؟ شو بصير إذا الضوء بينعكس كليا؟ مش يمتص، reflect بينعكس. If surface reflects light very well، إذا المادة أو السطح، أي سطح بيعكس الضوء كتير منيح، you can see your reflection in the surface. أنت بتشوف الانعكاس من السطح. إذا if surface reflect light very well، إذا السطح اللي قدامك بيعكس الضوء very well كتير منيح، you can see your reflection in the surface. بنشوف انعكاسنا بالسطح اللي قدامنا. انعكاسنا, for example our face, we can see in the mirror. So the best reflection is in mirrors. أفضل انعكاس هو بالمرآة because its surface reflect light very well كتير منيح لأنه سطح مصقول وناعم. So the best reflection is in, you can tell me, mirrors. Good, very good. So, another thing, I want you to try to do activity 4.4 so as to investigate how well different surfaces reflect light. أنا حابة وبتقدروا ومش كتير صعب. I like you to try to do activity 4.4 so as to investigate, تكشف, تشوف, تلاحظ how well different surfaces reflect light. تلاحظ من المواد الموجودة عندك بالكتاب كيف قدرة المواد إنها تعكس الضوء. You have aluminium foil, you have wood, you have sponge, you have spoon, you have many materials, and you can look at your face. If it reflects your face, so it's a good material for reflecting light. Please try to do it. I hope you enjoy the activity. Okay? Another thing we want to talk. So, after we want to conclude, I want you to remember alone for some few minutes what we have took today. Mirrors, wood, and paper. We took today only 3 examples, and when you do the activity, you will find more materials that reflects light or absorbs light. Conclusion. الاستنتاج. What can we conclude from the whole lesson today? Flat, shiny surfaces reflect light best. الأسطح الناعمة والملساء، وكتير مرات بقولوا مصقولة، المصقولة اللي هي بتلمع لمع تعكس الضوء، كيف غطاء التنكة أو الأشياء اللي بتبرق أو الذهب، they reflect light best، بيعكسوا الضوء. But rough surfaces absorb light. الأسطح الخشنة تمتص الضوء. As we said, wood, paper, stone, anything that is rough will absorb light. So when it absorbs light, it will not reflect light. Did you understand? Or you like me to repeat? Okay, I will repeat. Flat, shiny surfaces reflect light best, but rough surfaces absorb light. Flat, shiny surfaces reflect light best, such as mirrors. Bravo. But rough surfaces absorb light, such as wood. Bravo. I hope you enjoyed, everybody, and I hope you understood the video, and I hope it was okay with you. God bless you, grade 5, and I hope to see you later. Bye. God be with you all and your families. Big like. always happy and always smile.